Hello everyone from zebracam.com. Today, I'm going to show you, step by step, the unboxing of the Xiaomi X20 Pro, its features, and exactly how to set it up and operate it with the app. First of all, while we unbox it, I'd like to give you some information about the device. The Xiaomi Pro is truly on another level in smart cleaning technology. This model isn't just a vacuum cleaner, it's a complete cleaning assistant. If you're wondering how it all comes together, everyone. At its station, it washes its own mop, dries it with hot air, and most importantly, it also empties its dust container completely automatically. So, think of it this way. After the cleaning is finished, it handles everything itself without any intervention from you. We can call it a complete cleaning machine. Let's talk a little about the station. The station has a 4-liter clean water tank and a 3.8-liter dirty water tank. As you'll see in the video shortly, there's a 2.5-liter dust bag inside the station. Thanks to this system, you can use the dust bag for an average of up to 75 days without having to empty it. As you'll see at the bottom, the mop pad is washed with a powerful flow of water. It washes this itself as well. Then, it dries it completely with hot air within 3 hours. And if you're wondering why it's a good idea for it to dry itself, it's because this directly prevents the formation of mold and bacteria. You'll see the station on the sides. At the bottom are its drying mechanisms. It provides a spotlessly clean mopping system, completely hands-free. Now for the suction power of the X20 Pro. It has a full 7,000 pascals of suction power. This value signifies a very high power that can easily pick up dust, hair, fur, and deep-seated dirt. The app also has 4 different suction power levels: silent, standard, strong, and turbo mode. By the way, I use the turbo mode. It applies incredible power on carpets. It can also detect that it's on a carpet. So, you can use the silent, standard, strong, and turbo modes for either daily use or for a deep clean. Let's move on to the battery. It has a large 5200 mAh capacity battery. This provides approximately 160 minutes, or 2.5 hours, of continuous cleaning time in standard mode. Even in large homes, it can easily clean the entire area on a single charge. Let's talk about mopping. The mopping mechanism is really effective. The dual rotating mop system underneath cleans stains on the floor with a powerful scrubbing action. Additionally, thanks to its smart carpet detection feature, it can automatically lift the mop pads up to 10 mm when it reaches a carpet. This prevents carpets from getting wet, and it can automatically switch to vacuuming mode, which was an issue for some users. It can perform this feature automatically like this. First, I'll show you from the app. It automatically creates a map of your home by scanning 360 degrees using its own LDC laser system. It plans the most efficient cleaning route for your home. You can identify individual rooms. It even moves systematically without bumping into obstacles. We had a 10-15 centimeters ledge in our house. It detected that and cleaned beautifully without jumping, skipping, or getting stuck on obstacles. There are 4 different cleaning modes in total: vacuuming, mopping only, vacuuming and mopping, and vacuum before mopping mode. So it has these 4 modes. This means you can set it up to perfectly suit your needs, whether for a daily clean or a deep clean. You can perform all operations through the Xiaomi Home app. From the app, you can start cleaning, name rooms, draw virtual walls, or create a cleaning schedule. It's even possible to start a clean remotely with a single tap, even when you're not at home. Automated freshness. Your cleaning automated. What more could you ask for? It cleans its own mop, dries it, and most importantly, it empties its own dust container. Now that we've covered that, let's move on to how to get it started with the app and how to set up the app. First of all, please download the Xiaomi Home app you see in the bottom left. Then, after installing the app, there's a plus sign in the top right. From the Add Device section there, If you turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, the phone scans for the device, it detects it automatically, as you can see. Here, you connect the device to your local Wi-Fi network. I'm entering the password now. After entering the password, the device will be connected to the Wi-Fi. It takes a moment to connect. We're waiting for that now. Then, when it reaches 100%, it gives a notification that the device is connected. The device is connected. Then it asks us to specify the room. We are creating a new room here. You can enter the room you want, whether it's the living room or the bedroom. Of course, it's beneficial to divide it room by room. At least it will be easier for you during scanning. You won't have to scan over and over again. You can choose whichever room you want to have cleaned, and it will clean it. It gives a warning here. Tidy up the surrounding clutter. This is because if there's anything that could damage the device, or if it's very cluttered, for example, if there's a slipper or something else, it skips that part. If the area is completely clear like this, it does a much deeper clean. By cleaning, I mean removing the items there. It mentions leaving the doors open. It will now perform a quick scan with its scanning system. As you can see, in the bottom left, there are areas for the station and start scanning and cleaning. Here, I'm pressing Create Quick Map. After starting to create a quick map, as you can see, the device automatically left its station. Here, it has opened the 360-degree camera. It's scanning right now. It's not performing any cleaning action. First, it's creating a quick map. Look, as you can see, the map has appeared on the phone. It created a map of the room quickly. After this, what we need to do is, after the map is created, there's a Start Cleaning button in the bottom left. You'll see it. Press Start Cleaning and, as I mentioned before, there's the suction power here. Turbo, Strong, Standard, and Quiet. You can choose one of these and start cleaning. Here, the water outlet for mopping is not on because we haven't filled the tank with any water. That's because at the beginning, we just wanted it to do a sweep. We also threw a few dried flowers on the floor for it to clean up. I've recorded a video here so you can see it. It even knows when it's on a carpet, boosting to a very powerful suction. It cleaned everything, leaving virtually no crumbs. If you wish, you can watch the rest of what's left here. So that you can also hear its sound, I've added a clip with enhanced audio at the end of the video. You can have a look at that as well. You can see that it cleans much more thoroughly, much more deeply. As you can see, it didn't leave even a single crumb behind. It goes back and forth a few more times. After that, not a single crumb is left. So that was our video, everyone. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot. See you soon.